Girls are a majority in this field. I had to accept that. I am Neha Dhian Joseph, second year biotechnology studying in REC. So I'm from Kerala and I've been settled in Muscat until 10th. Then I'm a state level guitarist and a singer. So I've been a biomath student 11th and 12th. So because of that specifically, I had a attachment towards biology, chemistry, and maths. So that's the main reason why I had interest towards biotechnology. And since I went for med coaching, that's why I decided to choose biotechnology. Well, my if I go to medical field, I won't be able to use maths that much, and also biotechnology. When I heard about biotechnology itself, I felt like I had to do that. So that's what made me shift from medicine to biotechnology. Uh, like biotechnology had genetic engineering, then what else? Vaccines and all. I mean, like, that is very important. I feel like that's very interesting. Molecular biology, cell biology, and also those fields in like biotechnology kind of made me feel interest towards it. I would say girls are a majority in this field. I have to accept that, but there are also, I mean, like, according to me, I would say it's kind of like a 3/4 of girls and 1/4 of boys. It's kind of like that, mainly because I guess girls are more interest towards this field. Mostly, if you go for after graduating over here, I mean, like, here people tend to get placed, so that time they tend to deviate from their path. Some of them, when they go for PG, that's when they go for research, and also those who are extremely interested in that field, then only they'll go into, like, more deep. They'll go into the core company after the PG, most probably. Other than that, they'll deviate into other like IT sectors and all. So after graduating from REC, I'm planning to write my GRE and go to US, do my PG over there. Then after that, I'd like to do research in some lab or something and stuff. What I want to say is pursue the path that you want to go. I mean, like, whatever field your mind is saying, go do that. If you want to change your field, it's fine. If you're interested, you can go ahead with that. Then might be tough, but still you can overcome it to achieve your dreams. Um, at times, like, I have seen some students, like, they though they want to go for PG and all, at times maybe their parents, maybe they are kind of like scared to let their I mean, like, especially abroad, they are scared to let their little girls go abroad. Then financial situations and stuff, so maybe they're a little bit protective. So that maybe because of that, they might not let them go, go for the higher studies and stuff at times. So because of that, they'll just go for placements. Maybe they might not get into a core company. They might go to a different sector where they are not, where they never thought that they would go into the field where they never thought they'd choose later. So that, like, we can bring more interest towards them regarding this. I mean, like, we have in schools and all, we learn about biotechnology, but I think it's more necessary to give more, awareness, like what all are there in that sector, like what is the impact that sector gives. Like biotechnology, it had a great impact during COVID time and all, COVID times and all, vaccines and all, is because of biotechnology. Genetic modification, genetic engineering, everything is a part of biotechnology. Then bioinformatics, biotechnology is there in almost all fields. In IT sectors also, we have biotechnology, that's bioinformatics. Then also we have microbiology, genetic. There are a lot of, so if they come to know that it's, it's like a vast field. Like, if we'll be able to give them awareness about like what exactly is there, building their interest, that might, help them come into this field. I mean, like, recently only, let's say, people, I mean, like, after, especially, like, recently only, people start to know how much impact this has. So, because of that, because of that, people tend to, get awareness on the sector. Because of that, interest is developed. So, like, COVID times and all, vaccines and all, that's when people came to know this has a great impact. Then antibiotics, all the pharmaceutical things, that also biotechnology has an impact. So as recently only that awareness has been built up. Well, biotechnology and IT, both of them together can cause a big impact, like in the health centers and I mean, like in health centers, if we speak, we have electronic health records, then telemedical platforms and stuff. So both biotechnology, information technology together, it can revolutionize health sectors, agriculture sectors, and also environmental sustainability.